In this video, I will teach you how to create cylinder warp poster design in Adobe Photoshop. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image, and click on Place. Adjust its size on the artboard. Then open the Layer panel. Right-click, and choose Rasterize Layer. Go to the Rectangular Marquee tool, and create a rectangular shape. Go to the Edit menu, Fill. Use these settings, and hit OK. Press Ctrl+D to deselect the selection. Go to the Select menu, and choose Subject. Here I need some manual selection using Quick Selection tool. Go to the Layer menu, New, and create layer via Copy or press Ctrl+J. Go to the Rectangle tool, and create a long shape. And apply the color to the fill. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select all to change its font. I am using the Bold regular font. And apply the white color to it. Set the text in the center of rectangle. Hold Shift key, and select both layers, right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl+T, right-click on it and choose Warp. Then select Cylinder. And adjust it through anchor point. Press Ctrl+J, for duplicate layer. Press Ctrl+T, right-click on it and choose Warp. And adjust it to the other side. Again right-click, and choose Flip Horizontal. Bring the copy layer under the subject layer. Hold Shift key, and select both layers, and link them. Select bottom layer, and create a blank layer. And follow me for applying gradient to it. Select top layer, and type other text. Follow me. Press Ctrl plus T, right-click and choose Perspective. And drag it to right side. Right-click again, and choose Distort. Then, apply the Gaussian blur to it. And decrease its opacity. Also apply Gaussian blur to other text. Select THR brush tool. Use these settings. And apply like this. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section.